Yeah.
Food is cooked, you know. I some things are steamed fish and wild dirty steamed fish.
Yeah.
Food is cooked.
Curry chicken.
Oh, God! Curry chicken and steamed fish, huh? Yeah.
And steamed fish.
Curry chicken and steamed fish, huh? You know what I'm saying? Steamed fish, you know. Like the chicken and meat, you know.
Yeah.
Like the Kino. Steamed fish, Kino eat, though. You know, when I eat meat, huh? You know.
Bless me, man.
Oh my gosh, man.
Oh my gosh. But check out the people who see me over there. They always give me about $20.
Yes.
Yeah.
No matter how much it is, it's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
Wow.
It's a
Everybody talking about Kino, man.
Yeah, man, Kino is a brand name. He's the ambassador for TrenchTown.
Me even downtown and people saying when they saw me, they say, hey, colors. Nobody hardly call me Juki no more, you know, man.
yeah, colors.
If you ain't saying colors now, you ain't saying
Get
nothing.
the upgrade from you, get the
Oh
upgrade.
my gosh. What is that girl laughing over there? Yeah, if you ain't saying colors now, you ain't saying nothing. Yeah, it's on going TrenchTown here. A few people call me Juki plus Jam.
Me don't know what them a pre bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Evening.
Remember, mommy? Remember, mommy?
The night of the car?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell us I miss you again.
Yeah, I'm a mistake for somebody.
You see the man not forget you.
Yeah. I am setting time for the night of the car.
I wouldn't break my promise, you know?
Okay.
Y'all going somewhere then is?
Yeah, we're on the earth.
Yeah, Raymond.
Work, man. This kind of start with a little place or so.
Yeah.
Oh, you look out this now?
Yeah, black.
Go on. So I go on. Oh, same black up
Black,
there.
black up here, so.
And look out right here, so.
Black up here, so.
Okay. Oh.
It's so nice.
Yeah. So they put in the toilet seat
Yeah,
already?
man, a long time see this.
So you gotta remove that one.
Yeah, that's a remove.
Okay.
A long time see, man.
Yeah, look at design.
Yeah, man, you're nice, man. Beautiful.
Then it's change it up. Alright, come then in, so I go there.
Black up your sound, yes.
Yeah, I go outside, that's all.
Then I'll be careful, you can wear everything.
Yeah, as is, you know, as they come visit you with that.
Yeah, man, thank you very much.
You're welcome, yeah.
Yeah, man, God bless you.
Alright, God.
Glad to see you. Yeah. Look all bigger. I'm a mistake here with somebody else.
Yeah,
You know, catching
really?
it. Yeah, catching a resemble.
Oh, you're Ricardo?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ricardo would come.
Yeah.
I come down and I said to them, there's a lady here when I was going out when I saw and they called your name, said
Yeah.
it was you.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
More strength and blessing.
Well, because Ricardo more lighter.
Yeah, but a night.
Nice.
A night.
Yeah.
You say for the man of the car.
Alright.
Yeah,
Listen here.
Yeah, man.
Keep the strength here.
Yeah, man.
More rain power again. Whoa. Magical.
Hey, you love this? You love that fight? I love it. No fight, that fast, bro. Hey, we have the liquid. It's liquid in it, you know. We all have you marinate up all the fish in it and the meat, you know, man. Remember me tell you, yeah, man. Nice marinade, man.
Yeah, curry.
The spice there.
Curry kick up.
Yeah, man.
Nah, like. Curry kick up. Weird on the road, me I have to smell it.
Yeah, man. You know, that's something that is really cooking.
So the chicken that already makeup by Michelle. Chicken start going on do things and the pumpkin rice is ready for the start, boy. So you know, make the chicken this from makeup by Michelle. It's a handsome, you know, aka girly, aka big boy, aka boys. Everywhere's them fall, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Why them want to get to eat now?
So Mr. Handsome,
Yeah.
you know, the man I'm gonna make you know what the chicken tastes like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a feedback.
That's simmer down, you know?
Smelling good, man. Smelling good. You just throw Finally.
Go on.
Yeah.
Nothing more cook down, you know?
Korea smells good, nah, like. That's why I always say some people won't eat meat without seasoning, you know. Like always seasoning make meat smell good.
Yeah, man, have a season pot good, man. Yeah.
Because I wouldn't eat chicken without seasoning. That's the truth, viewers. Would you eat chicken without seasoning? No.
Cannot.
With the food smells so good without seasoning. No.
No.
Yeah, so boy, the seasoning that pot smells good. The curry, big up yourself, curry. And the better pot themselves. Oh man, the curry looking good.
Yeah, man. I see pumpkin rice, they're looking nice.
Pumpkin rice ready for the start boil up and
Yeah, looking nice.
the ocean I go and scale 2 fish over here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm going to go and see some couple fish, man, yes, I say,
Yeah.
yes, I say, from every little thing I do right now, curry chicken, breadfruit, pumpkin rice, and all the fish on the side.
Yeah.
So I say, different style, you know, the fish are still members, but a little piece of cabbage one side, for vegetable.
Yeah.
One side is a cabbage. I don't know for deal with it.
Yeah.
So I say, yeah, man.
Alright, yeah.
So, I got my pumpkin, my carrots. Same way red and green, same way. So, now it's red, gold and green, same way, you know? Pumpkin, the carrot, okra, scale out time with pepper. Is it? Yeah, man. So,
It's raining today, it's a rainy day today, so it's a rainy pot.
get them seeds, you know, but don't. Simple as it's a half one man here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, you can do a tree, you know?
Yeah.
Enough young people. Only for love and blessing. Me for my mission, enough love.
Yeah.
Pop on the channel.
Yeah.
Go! Go! Yeah, man. Enough love, enough. Only for love, you know. Next thing you know, let's go. Have a birthday coming, you know? Only for looking at destiny, you know?
Destiny. Look from when the world chef calling. Destiny.
Donuts, them, you know?
Look from when the world chef calling.
All donuts, enough love. Love there. So, yeah. Everything said, you know, twice.
See there? Show them a pure rain.
Show them all the rain and fall right now.
Rain and fall.
Rain out there. I'm not going to keep you.
just say that we're far
Rasta Jackson in the rain.
Yeah, you know, go and feel cook, you know. Go and feel that. Look at bourbon, you know.
Bourbon.
Yeah, go and look at the bourbon and go and keep warm.
Raining in TrenchTown.
Rain, you know.
Rain in TrenchTown.
Yeah, it's a rainy day, you know.
Yeah.
Food is cooking, you know. Okay? Nice and clean and steam fish and white bread and steam fish.
Yeah.
Food is cooking.
Curry chicken.
Oh, God! Curry chicken and steam fish, huh?
And steam fish.
Curry chicken and steam fish, huh? You know what I'm saying? Steam fish, and chicken and meat, you know.
Yeah.
That's the Kino. Steam fish Kino eat, though. You know, we don't eat meat, huh? You know. This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's chicken steam fish. And the more thing is calamari, pea soup, porridge. Yeah. You know? You don't eat meat. Yeah, man, I tell you. You want to fight. But I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It's how we live, you know.
How we living.
How we live, you know. Dream team. How we live, you know. And all they're doing is them love you. Straight up. More than love you. More than love you, more than they cook food they will eat. Yeah? Man, the bourbon talk. Bourbon talk and the wheat talk, you know. Straight up hard. All they're doing is they will love you, know.
Love straight.
Straight up, straight up, this guy got straight up, aye. Because the rain is falling and food is cooking,
Yeah.
and all they do is them more than love, you know. This is nothing that is speaking, aka movie star.
Movie star.
Yeah, more than love, you know. Kino,
Big up yourself.
big up yourself, more than love you.
Yeah.
Come cross the dealer, come cross over so. Respect barbecue, you know.
Yeah.
Every time we love you, and all they do is them more than love, you know. Every time. Straight love our heart. Straight love. Yeah. Feel yourself keen every time.
Big up yourself, Rasta Jackson. Them see it's raining.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Many blessings this man, many blessings.
Blessed. More blessed.
Yeah. Sunday I miss him.
I was over there Sunday. What, in the afternoon they came?
In the early morning.
Oh, that's why you didn't saw me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, them time they didn't leave out, bro.
Okay, Chucky.
Yeah.
It's an early bird catches the worm.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, go
but
too late, man.
Let me tell you let me tell you with me now. You see since Kino upgrading my place around there and the donors.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm living in style, man.
Wow.
Yeah, whenever time I'm in the jacuzzi bed, bro, I can hardly get up, man. Yeah, if me even get up, I'm look for something to eat, and as me finish eat, I'm lay down, bro. I'm out.
Wow.
Oh my God.
But make sure when you're out, you have a nice, sexy beauty queen with you.
Oh, that's what I want, bro. I want a nice chocolate from over there, man.
Chocolate, not even nothing. Chocolate.
Yeah, I want a lovely Hershey's or a Cadbury chocolate from over there, man. Yeah, but what I'm saying, I got a phone now, you know, so I'm up. So with the when Friday when Kino was videoing me, I never remember to issue my number.
Yeah.
I think my number is 580-5643. So
that Colors
anybody
number?
want to get in touch with Colors?
Yeah.
580-5643.
Yeah.
That's my digit.
Yeah, so we can contact Colors.
You get what I'm saying, man?
Colors.
Oh my gosh.
This man have more accent than you, man. Like it's been there for how long now, man?
Yeah, but you know we want to stay natural. We just want to stay Jamaican. A little English and then our patois.
Yeah.
No changes.
Yeah. And Colors like
Azzy.
Azzy.
Alright, Azzy, if I get this up, would you believe me, man? Whenever time I'm at the airport, man, and when the flights them came in, it's as soon as the passengers get out.
Yeah.
Anybody who watch Kino program and they saw me over there, you see as they saw me, hey Colors! Loud screaming, man. They come hug me. That's all them family ever say, what's the hell is going on there? They say that's Colors. So you hear them now, Colors, have you ever lived in the States or England, Canada? I said no, bro. I never flew before, man. But you get what it is. This is one over the airport very long.
Working with the guests.
Oh my gosh. And then I heard that the people over there, they love to listen to me when I'm speaking, bro.
Of course.
Always I make the people them laugh. You get what I'm saying?
Right now them are watching and laugh.
Oh my gosh. But me have to say, the donors, I love you so much. Not because you people ain't seen me, but I talk about you guys every single day, man. Because right now, what is his name again?
Azzy. Azzy, you're peeling pine.
I know, I saw it. Look around there.
Piece of pine.
If you ever see how much piece of fall code you did look around there.
I saw it the first
Oh
time.
my god. Now it turned a cottage, man.
Wow.
Oh my god. I couldn't even sleep at night. Since I get that jacuzzi bed here. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Tell me what's the pine saying?
Oh, how it tastes? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Very sweet, bro. Yeah, man. Very, very sweet.
As they bring a lot of pine. As they bring a lot of pine for us.
Wow. You from over there?
No, from out here.
Downtown.
Oh
out
here.
Gosh.
Up in the hills.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I didn't see you at the airport. I know when you bless me, man.
Oh my gosh, man.
Oh my gosh. But just the people who see me over there, they always give me about $20.
Yes. No matter how much it is, it's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
Wow. Everybody talking about Kino, man.
Yeah, man. Kino is a brand name. He's an ambassador for TrenchTown.
Me even downtown and people saying when they saw me, they say, hey, Colors. Nobody hardly call me Juki no more, you know, man.
Colors.
If you ain't saying Colors now, you ain't saying nothing.
It's an upgrade from you get upgrade.
Oh my gosh. What is that girl laughing over there? Because you ain't saying Colors now, you ain't saying nothing. It's ongoing TrenchTown here. A few people call me Juki plus Jam. But when I'm hitting the street and I hit the airport, oh my God.
Straight Colors.
Colors, yo.
So as they're here in the kitchen today, you know?
I love that, man. Like it. So what is he cooking?
No, I'm not cooking today.
Oh, he ain't cooking today.
Next time he's gonna cook. Pine sweet.
Oh my gosh.
Pine sweet, man.
Very sweet Kino, man. A long time I don't eat a pine so sweet. Wow.
So Colors are just away from the
Just
jacuzzi.
waking out of the big jacuzzi, man.
So you're going airport today?
No, you're crazy. It's raining, bro.
I
should over there yesterday. I missed yesterday, Kino. Because you see, when I got up yesterday, Kino, it was already too late. And the buses them who take you to the airport, they run very bad. So if when we wake up, me go down, I wouldn't get no bus to take me over.
So you make the jacuzzi bed a keep in the bed too long.
Kino.
Colors.
Kino, alright, you notice every time you video me, I always ask you why the sock, I never forgot, it's a sock that was my house opening. I don't know what you guys put in that bed there until now.
It name hold me tight.
Oh my gosh.
Never let go,
Oh my gosh. Kino right now, I'm afraid to go back inside, go lie down. Because some tea I look for right now, you know.
In the evening.
I said, what do you say?
Boss, I guess.
Not really, but through the time kind of so chilly. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yeah.
You need a chocolate bar.
Yeah, sure. You know? Yeah, some chocolate. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Nice to meet you, Adam.
Okay, colors.
Yeah.
You know, general, you know?
Get out the rain colors before you stick
No,
again.
man, the rain is finished, bro.
It's finished now.
Yeah. But hey, I say, you see all in the summer here, you see even next month, oh my god, the amount of people I'm gonna see over airport there.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
They're coming in now, you know.
Oh my gosh. Me just have to get money, so bro. Yeah. Free, I win. Alright, Kino, me over there, I think it was Friday, either Friday or Thursday. So me see this virgin and I said me go so for help him, Kino. Me don't hear the man say to him wife say, you know who is this? Colors! So when me lift up 2 suitcases, Kino, me don't hear the man say to him wife say, hey, give me $10. Yeah, he gave me $10. Yeah, I'm gonna help 2 more virgin again and at the setting they tell me they gave me $10 too.
US. You're the only Jamaican that spend pure US in Jamaica.
Oh my gosh.
Like you live in the US.
But Kino, up to now I can't believe say that you know Kino.
What me do here? You can't what me know?
Kino, up to now I really can't believe say the people them who watch your program, they love me so much. And when me see them at the airport and they told me and they tell me about the donors them to say me always make everybody laugh, you know. Yeah, but you know you have to have some style and fashion, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you get me?
Sure,
Hey Joe, what's up, bro? Yeah, Joe. So, you know, what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, could I make, oh, that's the wall there.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Wall, could you give me, I want to make some tea. Could you have me some water, bro?
I soon get to you.
Okay, wow.
New York side, I soon get to you.
Yeah. Twice.
I soon get to you, yeah?
Come on.
Twice. 1 big bag of sliced pine.
You know, I'm trying to really sweet, bro.
You know, I've got too much more, you know. Because you some juice I'm gonna make too.
Let me take 2 more and that's it.
No,
Try to
juice.
use them up.
Yeah, man, you know, the baby I'm gonna make juice too. But we keep them, I'm gonna make juice.
Yeah, so I'll feed that to our chicken, so I'll use some. I'll have some more.
Alright, let's go.
It's supposed to balance out.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.